Folks, we've got yet another 1,000-gallon pit rolling out of Tank Town today here at TMG. Going to my man Matthew down in Florida. Let me tell you something, this ain't Matt's first TMG. He's got a 250, but that wasn't enough for him, so he needed a big boy 1,000. Let's check it out. So it is set up on our tandem axle trailer package, guys. We build all of our trailers in-house. We design them around your setup, and we build them right, all right? Now on the pit, like I said, he's got the 1,000-gallon pit. Now guys, as you notice, this whole rig is painted blue, all right? We got a couple different color options. You can paint just the tank. A lot of times we'll go through, tape off all the straps, tape off the firebox. He wanted it all blue. We got your brother. Came out slick. Guys, on the 1,000-gallon, you get all 4 sliding top grates, 5 grates on the bottom. They are removable. 1.5-inch ball valve grease train down there as well. We got the trailer finished in gloss black. He did get the white wall tires, paint match blue wheels, baby moon hubcaps, stainless steel fender toppers. Come around the firebox here. Stainless steel logo on the side there, Papa Davis. We'll open this sucker up. Guys, all of our fireboxes on the tank smokers are fully insulated, hold heat great, make these pits run like a dream. It's not gonna burn the paint off there either. Step around to the back. On the passenger side, we've got 2 of our stainless steel prep tops. So these fold up. You got a lot of storage underneath. Fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to rock and roll. You've got a little more open storage up here, right next to our 60 by 30 roll off with the flipping grate. So open this bad boy up. So this has got our grate flipper in it. So you got 2 grates here, and it flips it right over. So you can cook on it like normal, or you got your top grate you pull off, put your hog, your chickens in there, top grate back on, screw it down, you're ready to go. Pretty slick add-on there. We got a little burn box right next to it. Build your fire, burn your coals down, shove them into your roll-off. Hey, you're ready to go. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.